It's in the air tonight. Do you feel it running through your veins? It's like kryptonite.
Hi guys, good morning. So you guys are wondering why am I standing in this weird position? Because I'm not finding my tripod's nut to fix the camera to the tripod. So today we'll be going to the best momo place in Dharwad, and also I'll be taking you guys through the day of my life like a normal day. And yeah, I just got freshened up. It's around 10 o'clock. I know I wake up late. I'm used to this, sleeping late and waking up late, because I don't really have college to attend or anything, just shoot videos. And so yeah, I woke up, freshened up. Now I'm gonna have a glass of hot water and lemon. So let's go.
Tonight, do you feel it running through your veins? It's like kryptonite.
So my glass of water is ready, and I'll be introducing to my cutest niece, Bashani. She's excited. Hi. Okay, she is my niece Shania. So she has an Instagram page too, you can follow her. I'll put the name on the screen. So I spend time with her in the morning. Atatiyala Shania nan jote? Okay. Huh? See? Oh. So I like to have like a glass of water in the morning. I read it in many articles. Bada camera put padda. Huh. Camera put padda. Bada camera put padda. You know, having a glass of hot water and lemon gives like a quick mini detox to your body in the morning. Now bahar articles ne godini that it's good for health, and yeah, make it a practice that you at least have a glass of water, if not with lemon. So I have like this, and next I have a cup of tea. So yeah.
टाइगर से क्या सुनना टाइगर टाइगर ले टाइगर अला टाइगर अला टाइगर टाइगर मतलब यार कुछ होती है अयो
Focus me. Focus. So I just received an order from Flipkart. It's an eyeshadow palette. So I got this palette from Swiss Beauty. This was for rupees 196, and I wanted to share this with you guys because it's very affordable. It has 9 eyeshadow colors. I think for beginners it's so good. And yeah, I'll make a separate video on this, like a review and a look video. So it has 9 colors. It's a very mini and cute palette. This is Swiss Beauty Ultimate Eyeshadow Palette in the shade 06. You can see the colors. They're beautiful. I'll have my breakfast now. So I just took shower, got ready in the sense some mascara, eyebrows and lipstick. That's it. So I want to look a little presentable on camera, and I'll show you guys my breakfast. This is kind of breakfast I am having since a week because I am gaining weight. I don't know, it is not prescribed by anyone. I just watched some videos and I'm having this kind of breakfast. So it has apples, some milk, pomegranate and chia seeds, and also 2 spoons of jaggery because I don't like to have sugar much. So I just thought of, you know, replacing sugar with jaggery. So that's it. I keep switching between fruits, like instead of bananas instead of apples I have bananas, so that way. And meanwhile I'll edit some pictures which I took yesterday. I had been to my friend's place to celebrate Ganesh Chaturthi, and yeah, it was a great getaway. Villages are so beautiful. I wish we had farms and a village to go because they are so beautiful. We had a great time, and also the food was amazing. Habbaduta antarla mast itta. Anna saru, sweets ella ನಂಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಆಗ್ತಾವಂಥದ್ದು, ಏನೋ ಹಬ್ಬದ ಊಟ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅಂಥವೆಲ್ಲ ನಂಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಆಗೈತೆ ಆ ಟೈಪ್ ಫುಡ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮತ್ತೇನು ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಆಫ್ಟರ್ನೂನ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಾಮಾನು ತರಬೇಕು, ಲೈಕ್ ಗ್ರಾಸರಿ. ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ದೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇವತ್ತು ವರ್ಕೌಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡೇನಿ. 4 to 5 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಟ್ಟ ಏನೂ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಮೂವೀಸ್ ನೋಡ್ತೇನೆ, ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ. ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ಯು ಗೈಸ್ ದೆನ್.
Can feel it in the air tonight. Do you feel it running through your veins? It's like kryptonite.
So just completed a quick workout. Now I'll just sit, cool down, drink some water and have a quick shower, get ready, and then let's go to Momos. So this is my makeup for tonight. I'm literally crushing over it. I've used my new eyeshadow palette. I'm loving the pigmentation. It's so good. So yeah, I know this is too much for Momos, but influencer. And I've worn a black top, jeans and sliders, and till now I had coffee, spend some time with family. That's it. So let's go to have Momos. I'll see you there, and I'm going alone, so bye. So this is the Momos restaurant I was talking about, which is in PB Road. So let's dig in. ಸೊ ಮೋಮೋಸ್ ರೀಚ್ ಆದೆ. ನಂಗೆ ಕಿಚನಿಂದ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತೊಗೋಬೇಕಿತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಅವ್ರನ್ನೇನೋ ಅಲೌ ಮಾಡೋಂಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ. ಈಗ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಮೋಮೋಸ್. मोमोज में कौन सा अच्छा आता है? ठीका है नॉन वेज मोमोज. So I ordered chicken deep fried Szechuan momos and it was for rupees 140.
You hit me like a landslide.
So I just got back home and ಏನು ಪ್ಲಾನ್ಸ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದೆ. ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಮೋಮೋಸ್ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಫ್ರೈಡ್ ಮೋಮೋಸ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲಿ ನಂಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಲೈಕ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ, ಬಟ್ ಮೋಮೋಸ್ ಮೇಲಿನ ಸಾಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಸಾಸ್ ತಿಂದಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ಖಾರ ಐತಿ. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಟೂ ಸ್ಪೈಸಿ. ನನ್ನ ಸ್ಟಮಕ್ ಫುಲ್ ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ಸೆಜ್ವಾನ್ ಮೋಮೋಸ್ ತಿನ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಅದು ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ನೂ ಮಸ್ತ್ ಮೋಮೋಸ್ ಇದಾವೆ, ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ಸೊ ಅಷ್ಟು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಂತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೈಟ್ ವ್ಲಾಗ್ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಇಫ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್, ಐಲ್ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಟುಮಾರೋ, ಎಲ್ಸ್ ಐಲ್ ಎಡಿಟ್ ಇಟ್ ಬೈ ಟು ನೈಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಇಟ್. ನೋಡ್ತೇನೆ, ಇನ್ನೂ ಡಿಸೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೊಮೊಗ್ರಾನೇಟ್ ತಿಂದು ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ತಣ್ಣಗೆ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋತೇನೆ. ನನ್ನ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಲಿಟ್ರಲಿ ಭಾಳ ಬರ್ನ್ ಆಗತೈತಿ. ಸೊ ನಂಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನೋಡತ್ತಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ, ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ನಂಗೆ ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಭಾಳ ವೆರೈಟೀಸ್ ಆಫ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಫುಡ್ ಬ್ಲಾಗ್ಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಫ್ಯಾಷನ್, ಬ್ಯೂಟಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು, ಎಂಜಾಯ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಿರ್ತೀನಿ. So that's it for today's vlog. Please do like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Instagram na follow ಮಾಡೋದು ನೆನಪಾರ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ. Bye.